Hey everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're keeping safe and keeping warm during this typhoon season. So it's Money here in Makati, and we're currently experiencing the Typhoon Ulysses. And last week we had Typhoon Rory, which was devastating, and we're currently experiencing another one right now. I started getting the alert of the Typhoon Ulysses yesterday when I went running for 1 whole hour. I just kept getting like this alert that you get on your phone when there is an earthquake or where there is a typhoon. For my years of living here, actually I've only ever experienced typhoon only in the Philippines. This does not happen back home, and over the years of living here I've actually kind of like gotten used to it, to know that these are the days that you want to stay indoors. And then the day just went by. There was like almost nothing exceptional until like around 1:30 when it started raining. It just kept on raining and raining till 10 o'clock. I was still awake till 1 o'clock. I was actually still awake. Around 1 o'clock it was becoming really strong with the winds. So because I have like some things on my balcony, right? So I just brought in like some of the stool and my boxing glove that was sitting down outside because I didn't want it to get wet. And then I fell asleep, and then I woke up this morning and it was still going on. So this vlog is going to be a chill one, what I'll be doing throughout today, and just trying to get used to the idea of staying indoors all over again. Wherever you guys might be, stay safe, take care of your family, and wear something warm, and enjoy this vlog. Okay guys, today it's still raining like crazy. Raining a lot. I just finished with the balcony. I swept it and I used water all over it, and hopefully once the rain stops, I'm gonna go back again to clean it dry and to clean off the wall. Now that I'm even thinking about it, I would say like the Philippines is like one of the countries that is prone to natural disasters. The continuous typhoons that we've had this year and several years already that have caused like so many disasters. We have earthquakes too. Actually, in this video I'm also going to share with you guys my first time that I experienced earthquake, and it was in the Philippines. And even living here as a student, as a foreigner, there were like several situations where like classes would be cancelled and my school would send a message saying that we shouldn't bother coming in because of the ongoing typhoon or ongoing disaster that happened in a particular part of Manila. So I'm going to share with you guys my first experience with earthquake here in the Philippines. First year, second semester, I've scaled through the first semester and everything was good. So by the second semester, my studying timetable then was I had some classes in the morning, so like from 8 till 11 a.m. and then I would have some classes from 5 or 3 o'clock to 6 p.m. Because of the time frame that I would have in between that, I would always prefer to come home, since where I live is not far from my school, so for lunch or to take a nap. On this particular day, I came home, quickly ate, and then I just laid down on my couch by the corner there. And then, like 40 minutes into the nap, I opened my eyes and I just felt this movement. I just felt something was woozy. So I felt like this undulating movement, like wave. And imagine a solid object, imagine a solid building that is moving in waves. And that was what I was seeing. I quickly scanned my environment and I was like, what is going on here? And then I realized that, oh my god, it's an earthquake. So I just like I just laid still right there. Like I was like, okay, try not to move. And just right there in my mind, I was just thinking of like so many situations that could happen. I can't imagine like my fridge flying out of the window to the ground floor or something like that. I was just praying in my mind that such weird scenarios should not even happen, and I don't even know how to act in an earthquake because this is my first time of experiencing it. After I woke up, then I checked my phone. I saw that there was already an alert saying that there was going to be an earthquake at this particular time, but while I was sleeping when I received that alert, I stood up and then I opened the window, and there was like a lot of people outside because I think they stopped them from moving or something like that. This was how I experienced my first earthquake. I think majority of the earthquake that I've actually experienced in the Philippines was I was actually lying down, so I'll probably be sleeping, or like I'm sitting down, then I would notice like a movement, and then I'm like, oh my god, it's happening again, it's happening again. So over the years, I've also noticed like the building that I live in, even my school and some public areas, they would usually have like earthquake drills. So they would set a particular time where people can come to gather so that they would know what to do during an earthquake. So this was my earthquake experience here in the Philippines. Now let's go back into the vlog. Now that I've raised the bed, I'm going to use that opportunity to clear underneath my bed. I'm not going to show you guys. I'm just going to do a time lapse and just clear underneath the bed to just make it nicer and to organize some stuff too. So while I was cleaning, I actually came across some school projects, like old projects that I've done, like sketches. Let me show you guys. See? There's still more. More design sketches. Okay. Wasn't looking and this fell on me. Oh my god. Oh. Oh shit. Oh. Okay. Guys, look at that. Did you hear that? Like the rain is still going like crazy here. It's around 12 o'clock here and the rain stopped already, which is good, but it's still a bit windy, like there's still strong winds out there. So this is where we are at right now, but since it's 12 o'clock, I'm gonna do some cooking because I'm hungry. This is calamansi with warm water and nothing else is added. So I've been cooking this since yesterday. So this is actually black-eyed peas with corn. Now I've added the pepper. I'm gonna add salt and sugar and then add red oil to it. While waiting for the food to get ready, I'm going to lazily go and take a shower and brush my teeth and kind of like get ready partially for the day. I think I applied a lot of products. They are here for trash. before I start eating, currently right now it's still a bit windy outside, and but there is no more rain, so that is good. So there's a little bit of calm right now. This is going to be the end of this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's eat. We eat a lot of protein back home, so a lot of beans, then with carbohydrates and stuff, but this is like really nutritious anyway. So